how to fix Instagram song problem easily and fast. Hello guys, in today's tutorial I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram song problem easily and fast. First thing guys, open the settings and then go into the apps. Open the apps like this, click on Instagram, click on this force stop and then click on the storage, click on clear data and clear cache, go back again, and now you have to go back into the settings, and this time you have to do one last thing, which is you have to change the region of your phone or the country that you have chosen from here, as you can see in the system. That's it guys, don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching this tutorial until the end.